So today we are finally getting to try a donut peach. They literally look like little donuts.
How short and stout and cute.
Yeah, they're short and stubby.
We finally get to try one after we bought a tree.
Yeah, so we're growing a donut peach in the backyard, and I'm happy to say that after doing nothing for a long time, it's finally broken its dormancy and is starting to leaf.
And now I finally get to try the donut.
We get to try it. I'm wondering if they just taste like other peaches. From what I understand, donut peaches are one of the more ancient varieties of peaches that exists. They've been around for a long time. We're just gonna bite into it.
Yeah. Go first.
Okay.
You like peaches, and
Yeah, I guess so.
it doesn't taste bad.
That's good. That's a start.
Considering I don't like peaches. I want to know what the pit looks like. I want to know if it's short and stout or like long boy.
I think this is good as is, but we could have let it ripen a little bit more too, because it's still pretty firm. It's good.
Wow.
I'm getting to a pet.
You want to make a part 2 when the other two are softer?
Maybe. So we found a peach that you like. Is it because of the way it looks?
I like it because of the way it looks.
Not because of the way it tastes.
I don't care about the taste. Because to me it doesn't taste like anything.
It doesn't have a strong taste like right now. I think part of that's gonna have to do with when it was harvested and like all the sugar is not developing, and like we're also eating it a little bit earlier. Still firm. But yeah, I like it, and
It's not sickly sweet.
it's not. I mean, it could be at some point, but just from this initial introduction to it,
If it
it's
doesn't
not.
taste like Krispy Kreme, I don't want it.
You wanna see what the pit looks like?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it like normal page pit? Is it short and stout?
Okay, I gotta eat my way there.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Go on. Keep it going. You're almost there. It just looks short and stout. Yeah, it's short and stout. A little bit ugly. I like it.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but the pit is more or less shaped the same way as the fruit. That's actually really interesting. It's not like other stone fruits. Huh. And I wonder if the seed inside is the same. It probably is.
I wonder if the seed's like perfectly round.
Because other stone fruit seeds,
Like almonds.
they all tend to look like that, yeah. Maybe this one is round and flat.
Just
Similar but round and flat, yeah. So that was a donut peach. They're they're a funny fruit.
These ones aren't ripe yet.
Yeah, these ones are not there. That looks like a bud. I love the way these look.
They're very cute.
Yeah, they're really interesting. And we're going to be growing a bunch of these hopefully next year as our tree matures. Maybe the year after that, we'll see.
And we finally got leaves.
Yeah, we finally have leaves.